The moon, Earth's only natural satellite, has fascinated humanity for millennia, serving as a muse for countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. As our closest celestial neighbor, the moon plays a crucial role in our lives, influencing tides, stabilizing our planet's climate, and even affecting human culture in profound ways. In this exploration, we dive into some of the most intriguing facts about the moon, shedding light on its unique characteristics and its impact on our planet. 1. The moon's surprising size. Contrary to what many might think, the moon is quite large, especially when compared to Pluto. With a mean radius of about 1,080 miles, the moon surpasses Pluto's radius of merely 715 miles. This makes the moon larger than some of the dwarf planets in our solar system. Furthermore, Jupiter's Ganymede and Saturn's Titan, two of the solar system's largest moons, even outsize Mercury, showcasing the diverse and unexpected scales of celestial bodies. 2. A giant among moons. When comparing the moon to Earth, it is approximately 27% the size of our planet. This ratio is the largest of any moon-planet duo in our solar system, granting the moon a significant gravitational influence on Earth. This relationship is not just a numerical curiosity, but has real-world implications, including the generation of tides and potential effects on Earth's rotational stability. 3. The architect of tides. The moon's gravitational pull is the primary force behind the rise and fall of ocean tides on Earth. This tidal force not only affects bodies of water, but also extends, albeit less significantly, to the land. The interplay between the moon's and the sun's gravitational forces can intensify these effects, leading to the spring and neap tides, which correspond with the lunar phases. 4. Earth's cosmic stabilizer. The moon's presence helps stabilize the tilt of Earth's axis, which in turn moderates our planet's climate. Without the moon, Earth might experience drastic tilts, leading to severe and rapid climatic changes. This stabilizing effect is crucial for maintaining a climate that can support a diverse range of life forms. 5. The myth of a cheese moon. The whimsical idea that the moon is made of cheese is rooted in folklore rather than astronomical observation. This myth has been popularized through various stories and expressions over centuries, often used to illustrate gullibility. The expression, "the moon is made of green cheese," has been particularly popular, symbolizing something absurdly unbelievable. 6. A celestial canvas. The moon's surface is a testament to the solar system's dynamic nature, featuring numerous craters formed by asteroid and comet impacts. These celestial collisions leave behind a record of the moon's history, visible as craters of various sizes. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter and other missions have documented these features, providing insights into the moon's, and by extension, Earth's cosmic environment. 7. The Lunar Explorers. To date, 12 astronauts have had the unparalleled experience of walking on the moon, all of whom were part of NASA's Apollo program during the late 1960s and early 1970s. These missions not only marked a significant milestone in human space exploration, but also expanded our understanding of the moon and its potential for future exploration. 8. A collisional birth. The prevailing theory about the moon's formation suggests it resulted from a colossal impact between Earth and a Mars-sized protoplanet. This event, occurring approximately 4.5 billion years ago, is thought to have ejected material into orbit around Earth, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. This hypothesis explains many of the moon's physical characteristics and its composition. 9. The darker side. The moon's near side, facing Earth, features large dark plains known as maria, formed by ancient volcanic activity. These regions contrast with the far side's heavily cratered surface, offering clues about the moon's geological history and internal structure. The differences between the near and far sides have intrigued scientists and laypeople alike, fueling research and speculation. 10. Imagining faces in the moon. Human beings have a remarkable tendency to see familiar shapes in random patterns, a phenomenon known as pareidolia. This is evident in the various interpretations of the moon's surface features, from the man in the moon, seen in the northern hemisphere, to the moon rabbit, perceived in some Eastern cultures. These cultural interpretations of the moon's appearance highlight our innate desire to connect with and personify the celestial bodies in our sky. 11. The moon's synchronous rotation. The moon is tidally locked with Earth, meaning it rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits Earth. This synchronization causes the same side of the moon to always face Earth, leading to the phenomenon of the near side and far side of the moon, with the far side remaining hidden from direct view until the advent of spacecraft exploration. 12. Lunar Water Ice. Recent missions and studies have confirmed the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles. These findings suggest potential resources for future lunar explorers and the possibility of using the moon as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration. 13. The moon's thin atmosphere. Unlike Earth, the moon possesses an extremely thin atmosphere called an exosphere, composed of some unusual gases including sodium and potassium, not found in Earth's atmosphere. This exosphere is too sparse to breathe or carry sound, but its existence challenges our understanding of lunar and planetary atmospheres. 14. Moonquakes. The moon experiences quakes similar to earthquakes known as moonquakes. These can be caused by the gravitational pull of Earth, meteorite impacts, or thermal expansion of the lunar surface as it moves from extreme cold to extreme heat. Some moonquakes can be quite strong, lasting for up to an hour. 15. The moon's shrinking. Scientific data indicates that the moon is gradually shrinking over time. As it cools, its surface contracts, causing it to decrease in size slightly. This contraction can lead to moonquakes and has created cliffs called thrust faults on the lunar surface. 16. Ancient volcanic activity. The moon's maria were formed by ancient volcanic eruptions that occurred between 3 and 4 billion years ago. These basaltic plains are evidence of a once more geologically active moon and suggest the presence of a molten subsurface layer during the moon's early history. 17. The lunar temperature range. The moon's surface experiences extreme temperature variations, ranging from boiling hot to bitterly cold, due to its lack of atmosphere to moderate temperatures. Lunar daytime temperatures can soar to 127 degrees Celsius, 260 degrees Fahrenheit, while nighttime temperatures can plunge to 173 degrees Celsius, 280 degrees Fahrenheit. 18. The moon's color. Though the moon appears bright white or yellow in the night sky due to its reflective surface, the moon's true color is a dark gray. Photographs from space missions and lunar samples returned to Earth confirm this less glamorous but intriguing reality. 19. Ancient moon maps. Long before telescopes, ancient civilizations were creating maps of the moon. These early astronomers recognized patterns in the lunar surface, which they used for tracking time and understanding lunar phases. The oldest known lunar map dates back to the 5th century BCE. 20. The moon's impact on life. The moon's gravitational pull not only influences Earth's tides, but also may affect certain biological rhythms. Some research suggests that animal behavior and even human sleep patterns might be linked to the lunar cycle, although these connections are still under investigation. In summary, the moon is not just a silent satellite orbiting our planet. It is a dynamic and integral part of our cosmic neighborhood. Its influence on Earth extends beyond the physical, touching the realms of culture, mythology, and exploration. Each of these facts adds a layer to our understanding of the moon, painting a picture of a celestial body that is dynamic, intriguing, and crucial to our existence in more ways than one. The moon continues to be a focus of scientific research and exploration, with each discovery revealing more about our nearest celestial neighbor and its complex relationship with Earth. As we continue to explore and understand the moon, we not only uncover more about our nearest neighbor, but also about Earth and the broader universe.
That wraps up today's video. If you loved what you saw, smash that like button and don't forget to hit subscribe for more awesome content. Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and get a conversation going. Catch you in the next one.